Welcome to Joy Yoga. Today we'll be doing an energizing flow. We'll start lying on our backs. Get comfortable. Notice the mat beneath you. Bring some attention to your breath. Notice the belly expand on the inhale and soften on the exhale. Gently draw both knees in, hands on each knee, and then draw them to the outer ribs, and then bring them back together, making circles with both knees, waking up the hips. And then switching directions, making circles the opposite way. Pause in the middle and then bring the hands behind the thighs and begin to rock up and down the spine, forward and back. Keep going until you gain enough momentum to come all the way up to seated and find a comfortable position. Interlace the hands, press them out in front of you, and then reach them up overhead and lean over to the left. Inhale through center and lean over to the right. Back to center. Reach the palms forward, round into the upper back, and then release both hands behind you. Lift the chest, look up. Exhale, hands come back to heart center. We'll take that again. Interlace the hands, press them forward and up. Lean over to the right, then the left. Back through center. Send them forward, press forward, round into the upper back, then release both hands, send them behind you, lift the chest, look up. Inhale back to center, interlace the hands, press them up, lean over to the left, over to the right, back through center, press the hands forward, round into the upper back, then release the hands, lift the chest, look up, and come back to a neutral spine. Roll over the knees, find table pose, hands underneath the shoulders, knees stacked under the hips, and then step the right foot to the outside of the hand and draw the chest forward. Exhale, send the hips back, straighten the leg any amount. Keep moving forward through low lunge and back, finding half splits, following your breath. Next time you come forward, pause, and then reach the arms high with the interlace, pressing the palms toward the sky, and gently lean over to the right. Come back through center, press the hands forward, round into the upper spine, then release the hands behind you, lift the chest, look up. Release, hands back to heart center. Tilt the chest forward and hook the left elbow on the outside of the right knee, curl the back toes under, straighten the back leg, twisted crescent. Look to the top of the mat, untwist, hands come to the inside of the foot, heel toe it over to the right, then step the left foot to the outside of the left hand, sink the hips for Malasana, hands to heart center. Now press into the heels, rise to stand, circle the arms up, and then bring them back, hands to heart center. Twice more. Circle them up, bring them back down, circle up, inhale, exhale, sink all the way back down to Malasana. Hands come behind you, sit down on the mat, and then lie all the way down, shins come to parallel. Extending one leg at a time to a hover. Make sure the core is active, draw the belly button towards the mat. Relax your face. Maybe moving with your breath. And then grab behind the thighs, begin rock and rolling up and down the spine. Gain some momentum until you can come all the way up, roll over the legs, and find table. Step the left foot up to the top of the mat, draw the chest forward, and then exhale, send the hips back. Moving between low lunge and half splits. Next time you come forward, rise up, interlace the hands and press them above you. Lean over to the left. Knit the ribs in. Come back through center. Press the hands forward, round into the upper spine, then release the hands behind you. Chest goes up, look up. Hands back to heart center. Tilt forward and twist to the left. Right elbow hooks on the outside of the left thigh. Curl the back toes under, straighten the back leg. Look to the top of the mat, unravel. Hands come to the inside of the foot, and then step the right foot to the outside of the right hand. Sink the hips, Malasana, hands to heart center. Press into the heels, rise all the way up, arms reach, hands come down to heart center. Twice more. Circle up, exhale, draw it in. Circle up, draw it in, and sink all the way back down to Malasana. Hands come behind you, sit down on your mat, lie all the way down, shins to parallel. This time finding yoga bicycle, hovering one heel and then the other, and adding the twist of the upper body. So right elbow intending towards the left knee, left elbow intending towards the right knee. Maybe inhaling through center, exhaling on the twist. Follow your breath. Next time you come through center, release and grab behind the thighs. Begin rocking and rolling. Take a few extra. You're coming all the way up to stand. So gain that momentum, rise all the way up, reach high, hands to heart center. Right knee lifts, and then step it all the way back, finding crescent. Interlace the hands, reach them above you, lean over to the left. Come back through center, press the hands forward, round into the upper spine, release the arms back, lift the chest, look up. Tilt the body forward, and then begin to float the back leg until it comes off the mat, warrior three. Strong through the core, energy out the feet, out the fingers. Slowly come to stand, bring the right knee to chest, and then step it back down, mountain pose. Heel toe the feet to the wide edges of the mat. Hands reach up. Bend the knees, sink down, Malasana. Hands come behind you, sit down, lie down, shins to parallel. This time, soles of the feet connect, knees go out to the sides, hands come together, pointing towards the toes, and then slowly begin to lift the chest and lie back down. Again, moving with your breath as slowly or quickly as you like. Then release, hands behind the thighs, rocking and roll all the way up to stand. Arms reach, exhale, hands to heart center. Left knee lifts and step it all the way back, crescent. Interlace the hands, press them up, lean over to the right. Come back through center, press the palms forward, round the upper back, then release the arms behind you, lift the chest, look up. Tilt the body forward 45 degrees, and then bring the weight forward until the back leg floats, warrior 3. Energy out the crown of the head, energy out the foot, energy out the fingers, strong core. Slowly come to stand, bring the left knee with you, and then allow it to come to the mat. Heel toe the feet to the wide edges of the mat. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bend into the knees, sink down, Malasana. Hands come behind you, sit down, lie down. Shins to parallel, soles of the feet connect, palms connect, pointing towards the feet. This time, lift the chest up and hold. Keep breathing, core is strong, lift from the chest, from the heart, and then gently lower all the way down. Begin to rock and roll up and down the spine, coming all the way up to stand again. Inhale, reach the arms high, exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale to reach. Exhale, this time dive forward. Inhale, half lift, find a flat back. Exhale, plant the palms, step back to plank. Take your flow either through cobra or up dog. And then we'll meet in down dog. Lower the knees to the mat, send the hips back, child's pose. Come back to your breath. Feel the mat underneath your palms, underneath your forehead, underneath your shins. Notice your heart. Notice your breath. Press into the palms to come forward, then find a comfortable seated position. Hands can be grounded on your knees, or palms can face up. Or bring hands to heart center. Energy flows wherever your intention goes. It starts with intent. So set your intention for the rest of your day and make your intention positive. It could be an intention to be mindful, focus on the task at hand, whether it be brushing your teeth or completing a project. Maybe it's to bring calm and peace to your day. Maybe it's to be kind to yourself. But set your intention and allow your energy to flow in that direction. Namaste.